Okay, now this is where I kind of want you to adjust things and kind of like really kind of play around with making things different. And so if I wanted to, I probably should have made the fish have an actual color. So, but I kind of want to add some other details. So now I'm going to use, I'm going to go ahead and have my ellipse tool. I'm going to select it to this purple color here, and then I'm going to add maybe an eye to the fish, add maybe a little top fin, and then I kind of want to adjust this little curve. Like there's another tool that I didn't talk about, and it is the reshape tool, and I find that I use that one quite a bit. If I right click on the scale tool and then I left click on this flies out. It's this tool right here. When I click this, the reshape tool, you have to have these little anchor points white, and then you can left click and drag, and then you can adjust things that way. Left click in it, left click and drag, and allows you to kind of reshape in between the lines. So I've added the little detail here. I could add another fin. I'm going to I'll hold the Alt key, and then I'm going to hover and rotate this one so I could add kind of a bottom fin with this. I probably wanted to flip that horizontally. So I could come over here on the rotate, and there's a reflect, or hit the letter O, and then I can flip it that way as well. So I really want you to think about what little details could you add to make your illustration of this boat a little bit different. Could you add a little island in the back with palm trees? Could you add more sailboats? Because if you really wanted to, I could go ahead and make some more. These are all locked down, so if I left click and drag, I'm not going to grab anything else. I can hold the Alt key, grab those, and I can hit Control G or Command G, and then maybe I scale those down and make some more boats in the background. Okay, so you can do other things to edit this and make it a little bit different from each other's work. I'll do blue, and then add other details to kind of finish it off and change it up a little bit. And then I would also go back in wherever we had the water. I'm going to bring the opacity back up to 100. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to my sky layer, unlock that, click on my sky, and I'm going to change that to 100%. And actually, you know what? I want to boost the blue up in here a little bit. Let's make that a little bit more of a light blue. There we go. And then I don't really even need to show my photo anymore. And then I have my finished drawing.